Hi, Paul Katroff with 423buyland.com. Thank you so much for looking at the videos that we post on YouTube. Today, I'm starting a brand new lot. Currently, what we have for sale in our inventory are two lots. That's it. They're going quickly. Lots 164 and 174 are both cleared, finished, and available for you to come see. Lot 174 is for sale at $11,000, and we have a lot 164 for sale at $7,500. Now, lately, we've been getting a lot of people, especially a lot of veterans coming in, and we have a heart for veterans, and we understand that you have to give a little. So on lot number 164 that we have for sale for $7,500, we'll work on that. We're a sucker for a quick cash payment, just like everybody else. We're just like you. So you make it easy on us, give us some incentive. We could work out something with lot 164 with you, located on Alta Vista. Really nice lot, and you can start the development now. So today we're starting a brand new lot, and I'm really stoked about this. I saved this one. I've had this in my inventory, and I knew that this lot was going to be one of those high-priced lots. If you notice, I'm the only seller in here with higher-priced lots. Well, what I'm doing is I decided that I wanted to sell the best product I could possibly find on YouTube. Please understand, there's no shortcut. And I have to go in to negotiate these properties. And when you go in for the best of the best, the owners are not stupid. And they don't let anything go cheaply. So when you see my pricing, remember, I'm not making hardly any more money just because the price goes up. I'm simply gambling that I can find somebody that wants the best of the best. And that also helps me on YouTube. Please understand that. I like showing great product on YouTube. I really do. I like knowing that when somebody comes out to look at my lots, they come back to me and go, Paul, you're right. Every lot you have is nice. Kind of makes me feel good. Today I've got probably the highest price lot I've ever sold in 21 years. And you know what? I had to really mull this one over. But I decided to pull the trigger because of the upside on this lot. And I said, I don't care if it sits. So we're going to have this lot priced at $14,000. I've never sold anything at $14,000, but I have never gotten in walking distance of that boat ramp. Yes, I'm right by the boat ramp. You can walk across the street with your son or with your family and fishing pole in hand, and you can go fishing at the boat ramp for Lake Livingston. These lots are bigger than the average lot. The average lot is anywhere from 3,600 to 4,000 square feet. This is 5,200 square feet. An extra 1,000 square feet is great, especially when it's in the length. You get an extra 40 to 50 feet of length on these lots compared to the normal lots that you find here. None of these lots by the boat ramp are for sale except for the ones that I have. We are in a league all of our own with these two higher end lots. I don't know how this is going to pan out. I'm going to do the clearing. I'm going to enjoy it. And maybe it will sit on my webpage for a long time. I don't know. But I got to tell you something. I know what I got. I spent the money on it. And I didn't get a very great deal on it. But I want to show you this lot before I get started today. And I love this lot. I really do. Check this out, guys. I think you're going to like this. Okay. Couple of markers, right? It's lot number 26. Right from the get-go. Smooth clearing job. Not every day that I say, well, this is an easy lot to clear. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. But this is really cool. Okay. I'm so excited to get a high-end lot. I haven't dabbled in these rare high-end oversized lots. I've never done anything in 21 years located across from the boat ramp. Notice I can walk through this property. I'm going to have a field day with this. I mean, this is just terrific. If I can walk through a property, that's a good sign. But I'm just going to give you a walkthrough before I start the clearing today. I'm going to start dropping things in the front. And I want to shoot a little video every day for you, for that special buyer out there that wants the best of the best. Now, you can't enter from the back of the lot. It's a county rule and a county restriction. However, I have so many people that call me on all my lots. They go, how far is it from the boat ramp? And I always say to them, it's about 1.5 miles, 2 mile drive, because it's a big subdivision. And, you know, by the time you leave your lot, you get to the entrance, it's about 3/4 of a mile. Then you have to drive around the subdivision, down this country road. This goes around the subdivision to get to the boat ramp. Now, as you can see, I've just walked out of lot 26. Check it out. Wow. Wow. You know, I didn't get very many breaks on this lot. But I'll tell you what, I had some turmoil because I'm not used to putting such high priced properties. I always try to stay within a certain market value where the demand is. And the demand is always around $8,000, $8,000 to $10,000. And so it's a little tough on us guys, but it is what it is, right? I'm the only seller that's going to be on YouTube. I'm the only one, guaranteed, that is going to take you on a walk from the back of your lot. Priceless. Don't even kid yourself. Can you imagine developing your property and coming up for the weekend, and you're in the very earliest stages, and you got to use the bathroom, you go walk across the street? That's pretty cool. So this is what lot 26 is all about. So this video is about 7 minutes long, including, maybe it could be 8 minutes long by the time I'm done, including my introduction at the front. There it is, guys. There it is. You can walk across the street and you don't have to worry about getting a DUI. It could be Labor Day. You could have your family over. You could be drinking beer and having a great time, and you can walk across the street and you can go fishing right here. Here are the poles, or the pipes that people put their poles in. And there's a little grill there, and there's a picnic table, but you know, this right here is why I gambled on this property, and I'm pretty excited. It's the nicest located property in 21 years, and I took the gamble on it. So I hope you'll like it, and I'm going to leave you with this. Stay tuned. I'll be uploading videos every day showing the progress on the clearing of the property, and I am going to be really careful with this property. I don't want to clean swipe it because you have the distance, and they are 40 foot wide, so I want to leave that privacy there. But you know, hey, you know what? I had somebody tell me the other day how neat it would be if they were backing their boat in here, right? Check this out. You back your boat in here, and all of a sudden you realize you forget to pack the beer. Got to go back for the beer, right? Well, all you got to do is walk right there to your lot, go inside, get whatever you forgot, just walk back across the street. How cool is that? Lot 26. I'm excited, as you can tell, and I think you will too. 423 buy land. I'm going to upload this video. It's about 10 minutes. It's hard to keep them short. And if you need to get a hold of me, I'm up till midnight every night. Text me after 8, 7 days a week. Good luck and take care.